Hello guys, in this video, we will explain to you about applying garlic on hair, which can benefit hair and how to use the remedies using garlic for addressing several hair concerns. Keep watching to know more about it. Is garlic good for hair loss? Before we go into the application and procedures, let us first try and answer this fundamental question. Most of you might already be wondering if garlic is good for hair fall control, and how does it work? Also, one may also wonder if at all garlic for hair loss is beneficial. The several antimicrobial properties present in garlic helps kill bacteria and infections, which cause damage and weaken the scalp. Given that hair fall is mostly due to hair weakening and bad scalp, raw garlic effectively helps and reduces hair fall. Hence garlic for hair loss treatment is quite popular in several circles already. Before we move on to homemade remedies of garlic for hair growth and hair concerns, first let us see what significant benefits of using garlic for hair are. Garlic is beneficial in getting healthy and naturally thick hair. This shows the goodness of garlic for hair growth. The scalp is kept healthy by killing bacteria, germs, and infections with regular usage of garlic in hair. The scalp is cleansed, and redness or inflammation concerns are also addressed in no time. Garlic also has anti-aging properties. Hence the hair follicles are made healthy and strong, hair begins to appear shiny and healthy. Garlic works even on bald spots. Garlic has evidence that it improves hair regrowth in specific areas. Garlic has properties that can protect your hair from external factors such as sun rays, pollutants, and dirt. How to use garlic for hair growth. Ingredients: 8 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup coconut or olive oil, onion optional. Preparation time, 45 minutes. How to prepare and apply. Make a fine pulp with the juice of garlic and onion in a blender. Heat oil in a pan. Add garlic onion paste in oil. Turn off heat when the mixture turns brown. When the oil is cooled, drain the pulp. Gently massage the oil on the scalp and roots of the hair. Let it remain for 1 hour. Wash the hair. Do it twice a week until you notice an improvement in your hair growth. So, did you like this remedy? Comment below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.